RAM, random access memory, to be the most important aspect of a computer. Rightfully so, RAM has a lot to do with the speed and overall performance of your computer. Every computer system needs RAM to send information and instructions to the CPU. If you try to boot a computer without RAM, the system can't get past the power on self-test post stage. Post stage is a process that the BIOS or UEFI performs right after you turn on your system. This self-test process detects any possible hardware issues within the system, including with RAM, and notifies you with a series of beeps. These beeps occur in certain sequences, with each sequence indicating a specific problem. That's why you can't go past this process if there is no RAM. The post-diagnosis realizes that there's a problem with RAM. The overall performance of your computer is determined by how well your CPU and RAM work together. The more RAM your CPU has access to, the easier its job becomes, which enables a faster computer. If you do not have a sufficient amount of RAM, then your CPU has to work much harder to transfer data, which severely damages the computer's performance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nummy TV.